What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Mahogany coming back at you with another video. And today I'm going to be attempting to make fried pickles. So I don't have a recipe or nothing, so we're going to try to figure this out. I cut up big pickles, big whole pickles. I cut them up into thick slices, and I'm just kind of have them under a paper towel, getting some of the juice out of it. So next, in a bowl, I'm taking some of this Pride of the West batter mix. Is all-purpose mix for deep frying, pan frying, and oven baking. And I just have that here in this bowl, and then I'm going to add some seasons to it so that it can kind of be a little spicy. First, I'm going to be adding a little bit of cayenne pepper. Just a little bit. Then some parsley flakes. That doesn't really matter. Some garlic pepper. Some Slap Your Mama seasoning. Get it open. And then it's just some coarse ground black pepper. Then I'm going to mix that together. Once you get your seasonings mixed all up, next we're going to work on the wet batter. So in another bowl, I'm taking 1 egg. One egg, and we're gonna beat that. Okay, so now I'm taking my beat egg, and I'm gonna be mixing in some milk, or abonde. I'm gonna be mixing in some milk. That looks good. And then for a final bit of kick, just some sriracha hot sauce. Just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to be battering. So now I'm going to start battering my pickles. So I've had my pickles in napkins, and the napkins are completely soaked because I want my pickle juice to be draining, and I cut these myself so they're very thick, and I'm just going to drop a couple in to the wet mix. And you want to get them completely coated in there. Then you're just going to move them over. Should we double batter them?
We'll try that first.
Oh, I don't know. Okay. So we're just gonna take, this is what they look like when they're all nice and coated. And then you want to repeat them until you get all of these done. No. You want to repeat the process with the rest of the pickles. It's my micromanager back there. You hear? I did you. Okay. Then the next step will be the frying process.
All right, let's go to the stove. All right, Mahogany has the oil heated up. Pickles battered and ready to go.
Okay, guys, so I have some canola oil.
Make sure they can hear you.
I have some canola oil here, and it's already heated up. I've been having it heating up on 5.5. So let's see. Yep, nice and hot. And I have a little fear of oil popping at me, so I'm gonna put them on here and I'm gonna drop them in. like so. And you just want to keep putting them in. So as you can see now, they're starting to get a little more golden, but they're not quite all the way done. So you just want to keep them going in here until they're completely golden brown. Okay, so the ones I put in kind of later are not quite as done as the ones I've already taken out. So I'm taking out the ones that are dark brown and done. And now we're just waiting on these ones in here just to get a little bit darker. And they'll be ready to be taken out. I'm taking the remaining pickles out. So nice and dry. This was our final product with these fried pickles. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that red button down below and hit the bell beside it if you want to get notified every time we post. Thank you guys for watching. We're about to get rich.